Driving in my car, beep beep. Oh look, there's a car. I have plenty of time to get out of the way. Driving in my car, beep beep. Oh look, there's a. Look, driving in my car, beep. Oh, it gets to the second. Never mind. So we're kind of just driving along. We're going somewhere that I'm not allowed to say. Stalkers out there. But I just want to vlog a little bit because I was bored. So yeah, kind of just talking. I'm reading this book. All of you who have read this series are probably like, Cassidy, why haven't you read it earlier? And I'm like, I didn't know about it. I thought it was such a bad book. And yeah. And I just recently read Divergent. And I'm Amity, and I'm Dauntless. Yeah, I'm on hold for insurance at my local library, and yeah. So earlier I vlogged when we were doing our pictures, and now we have to go somewhere else. So we have like a ton to do today. And Cassie, read this. No. And it was just so stressful because the last picture we had to like stand there for like 2 hours to get like 2 pictures, and it was really stressful and hard. So we were like, I'm beyond tired.
Okay, go ahead.
And yeah, it's just kind of hard. So yeah, it's just been stressful. Long day, stressful day. Wish me luck. Bye.